Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You already have the two accounts. Now link them. First, sign into the Google account in the Google Play app so the game can access it. Then open Settings and turn on Game Center with the Apple ID you want to use. Once done, restart the device to clear temporary auth caches. Make sure the game is updated to the latest version in Google Play, because many titles require current builds to detect and accept external account links. Open the game and immediately go to Account or Settings. That's where linking controls live. Choose Link Account and pick Google Play. The game will request permission to read your Google profile. Approve that request, then select Game Center as the destination and allow it to access your Apple ID. Once both authorizations complete, the game should display your Google username under linked accounts. If there's a sync option, tap Sync Now to push cloud saves and achievements. Complete the process by verifying the link status on the game's account page. Note both Google and Game Center ID shown. Then use Sync or Restore Cloud to merge or download saves and confirm achievements and purchases carry over. If the link fails, force close the app, sign out of Game Center and Google Play, reboot, sign back in, and retry the linking flow. This clears stale tokens. If persistent errors remain, contact the game's support.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.